How's it going, everybody? My name is Robin, and I want to congratulate you on taking the first step to improving your credit score. Because having good credit saves you thousands of dollars throughout the year. And it's the key to unlocking the door to your financial freedom. Let's face it, we all have to work to live. And we need money to pay our rent, to buy food, to pay our bills. But oftentimes, we can't afford to pay for everything we need. And so, our debt goes up, our credit score goes down, and something as simple as applying for a credit card or buying a home feels impossible. You're here for a reason, right? Because you have the will to find a way. So cheers to that. You've come to the right place. I've helped thousands of families and individuals fix their credit issues. Whether you've been through bankruptcy, child support, tax liens, repossessions, collection, charge-off, late payments, student loans, whatever it is that's stopping you from reaching your goal, I can help you. But every case is different and requires a unique strategy. So if you're serious about fixing your credit and relieving yourself from that financial burden, then the next step is entirely up to you. Sign up for a free consultation, fill out the questionnaire, and schedule a time to speak with me. New year, new credit. Let's build that bad boy up.